Oh, hi there. I'm your host, Tommy Shaw. This is how to stay safe in the woodshop.
Isaiah, stop! What? You have to wear safety glasses. What are safety glasses for?
To protect your eyes so you don't get wood fly from your eyes and ruin your eyesight.
Thanks.
Tom, stop.
What?
You need to tuck in your straight.
Why?
You can get caught in the machine and you can pull your face down.
Oh, that would be no fun at all.
Thanks, Connor. Connor, wait, don't start yet. You have to roll up the scissors before you can cut your wood.
Why?
Because if your scissors get caught in the blade, it won't end you. Good job.
Wait, Isaiah.
What?
Is that a wristlet on your wrist?
Yeah, I like it.
Well, you can't work on the table saw with a wristlet on.
I should take it off.
Yeah.
What happens if I won't?
Well, then it's going to get caught in the blade, it's going to suck your arm in and going to cut you really bad.
I wouldn't want
No, that'd be bad.
Tommy, stop.
What?
That was too small. You need to push it.
What is this thing?
Use it to cut the wood when it's too small so you don't get hurt.
Oh, makes sense. Thanks, Connor.
Wait, Tommy, don't start yet.
Why?
Because Connor's in the kickback zone.
What's that?
It's the place where if the wood flies back, it'll hit you.
Yeah, I might want to move.
Yeah.
What are you doing today, Isaiah?
Going to the basketball game.
Who do they play?
Catholic?
Are they going to win?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not.
Stop. You can't talk while you're on the table saw.
Why not?
Because talking can get you distracted.
And then what happens?
You could get hurt.
Oh, okay.
I'll let you go, Tom, and work.
Alright, thanks.